Okay, so welcome guys, congratulations. It's a big deal for you to have made it so far. I'm going to ask you guys a few questions. If we could just start from there, can you tell me your name and where you're from?
I'm Anam Sheikh. I'm from Mumbai. I'm 23 years old. By profession, I'm an engineer and I aspire to be a supermodel. So that's what brings me here.
Wow. I mean, you sound very determined. Tell me something. What does it take to be a top model? You would have an idea by now. What does it take, according to you?
A lot of dedication and and focus. A lot of focus. This show really taught me that you need a hell lot of focus to be on the top.
Wow.
Yeah.
Thank you. How about you?
Hi, I'm Danielle Kinute. I'm 18 years old and I'm from Mumbai, and I'm currently just in college. And I think I was really lucky to be on this show and be a part of what like all 13 of us got to do. And I think what it takes to be a top model is definitely be prepared for what comes your way, because I think all of us know being a model isn't easy, and many a times people misunderstand what we do. And I think being content with yourself and being confident about what you portray and what you are as a person too, because you're gonna get like harsh comments and criticisms, and I don't know, I think at the end of the day, if you're happy with what you've done and if you're confident and you're like, okay, I can get up tomorrow and give in my 100% if I didn't do it today. So I think just being prepared for whatever comes your way, that's how you get to the top.
Wow, that's interesting. I mean, at 18 you already sound like you know it all. But tell me something, Danielle. What did you do to prepare for the show? Is there something you did before you got here when you heard that you were finally going to be part of it? Did you do something special?
So actually, I've been following America's Next Top Model like since the time I've been small. So I knew what I was getting into, but I actually didn't have any modeling experience. So I was really scared about how I would do on the show. But I think gradually you're on your own actually, and we were all on our own in this competition. So we kind of learned to kind of fight for what we were here for.
That's true. I mean, they do say it's lonely at the top. So good luck.
Yeah, so I think...
Hi, I'm Aditi Shetty. I'm 22 years old. I'm from Mumbai. I think confidence is most important to be a model, and obviously patience, because nothing comes easy and you have to work really hard. So that's what I've learned through this. Like, it was an amazing experience being on this show, because it's taught us so much, and there's so much grooming, there's so much makeover for us that we've actually changed after this few days that we've been here. So it's really a good experience being here.
So Aditi, tell me, you said it requires change, right? Like you went through makeovers. Did you go through makeovers just physically, or did you make over yourself?
It's physically, as you can see, and mentally, everything, because I personally haven't been alone like this with 13 girls competing and being friends at the same time. There is a lot of drama, there is friendship, there's a lot of stuff. So it has made me grow a lot in every aspect.
Wow. Sweet.
Hi guys, my name is Malvika Sitlani. I'm 22 years old. I'm from Mumbai. For me, I believe to be a model, you need to be really, really strong, because this industry, there are a lot of ups and downs, and it's crazy out there. So to keep that intact and remember where you're from, stick to your roots. I think that's the most important, and believe in yourself, because there'll be a lot of distractions happening, a lot of comments, but you have to remember that you're the best, and this industry is beautiful, and you just have to give in your 100%, and you'll get what you work for.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So you said you got to remember where you're from, right? Did this change you in a way that you could not have fathomed? Did you expect basically this whole thing to happen? Was modeling your dream forever, or did that change?
Yes. No, modeling is my dream, And what I'm trying to say is this show puts you in uncomfortable situations and you have to own it. And I think that's the most important thing, because I've never been in uncomfortable situations. I've always been in my safe zone. And I think being on the show has taught me, it has made me grow as a model. So I think that, and sticking to your roots, I mean by, there are a lot of distractions happening, a lot of people around you, and you tend to fit in. But I think you don't have to fit in, because you're here for a reason, and why you are here is because of who you are. So I think sticking to your roots is important, and you're special. So
That is so sweet. Thank you. What about you?
Hi, my name is Sri Radhe and I'm 20 years old and I come from the city of Allahabad. And for me, the most important thing when I place myself as a model is दूसरे लोगों का जो टाइम होता है उसको रिस्पेक्ट करना, क्योंकि एज अ मॉडल आप दूसरे डिज़ाइनर्स के साथ आप वर्क करते हो, मेकअप आर्टिस्ट के साथ आप वर्क करते हो, सो दैट टाइम हर चीज़ आपके कंट्रोल में नहीं होती, आपको किसी